Ang lakas ng ulan. Heavy rain until tomorrow, I think. Oh no. The time is 2 p.m. I hope I can get the time before 4 p.m. I need to go back home. Hi. Friday na ngayon. Nandito ako ngayon sa Samshupo. Bibili ako ng isda. To buy fish. I need to buy fish. Mura lang kasi dito sa Samshupo yung isda. Lakas ang ulan. So, dito nakagad ako. Very fast. I need to make it faster. So, I can go back home early before my boss come. Also, they have an activity today. Oh, someone calling to me. Oh. Lot of old building here. I'm going to inside the wet market. Fish market. Oh, yan. We are here na. Just few minutes from MTR to wet market. A lot of people always here because the food is cheaper than to the other market. I can smell the bad smell of fish. Oh, tilapia 35 is very big. Hi. I need to find $80 3 pieces or 2 pieces. It depends. Oh, less people now compared last time we visit here. Oh my God, crowded. But now, not much. Later in the afternoon, around 4 or 5 p.m. That store, always lot of people. That store. You need to buy mayo and the red one. Bangus at saka. Oh no. I'm already here now. Malaki.
Ay, pwede lang sa gitya ko siya.